So the question is, if you've got multiple lights set up on your Philips Hue remote, like that for example, is it possible to select those lights individually using the same remote? Well, there's only one way to find out, and that's watch the rest of the video. If you're new to the channel and enjoy videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. In today's video we're hopefully going to be answering a question that was sent in by Mark Noah. I hope I've pronounced that right, Mark, apologies if I haven't. And he's asked if there's any feature to select which light you control when multiple lights are paired with the dimmer. And using the iConnect Hue app, I'm going to show you how you can do that. It's really easy. So I use an app called iConnect Hue, which you can see there. It brings up all these options. And you go into devices. And there you can see all the different accessories I've got set up. And there's the lounge dimmer. So click onto that. And there's the dimmer. And you can see all the different settings I've got currently set up. Button 1 being the on button, push that once and it puts the lounge on, which is the two lights that you saw at the beginning of the video. If I press that button again it goes to dimmed mode, and if I press the same button again it goes to my night light mode, which is very sort of dim light. And then if you go to the off button you can see there it just turns everything off. But what you can do is you can select other buttons. So I've got that button there which is sort of to brighten the bulbs, and I can tap on that one and you can see there it says initial press, and what it will do, it will brighten the whichever light is set up. However, I've got another option here which is hold. So if I hold that button rather than just pressing it, you can see I've got it there. It says one light will come on, and the light I've got is, there you can just see with the tick just there, is a standard lamp. And if I click on that one I've got exactly the same again, initial press, it will dim the brightness, but if I hold that button down I've got one light on again, and in this instance I've got the table lamp. So that's how you can set the individual buttons, and the same will go for that one. Initial press would do that, hold, you can set it to do whatever you want, and same with that button. So there's 4 individual buttons there that you can select to do other things just by going in the hold section, and you can see there that I haven't got an action for the off button if I hold that down, so that's a spare button I could use for something else. That's how you can individually choose the separate lights using different buttons on your Philips Hue remote, and that's using the iConnect Hue app, which is very good. It gives you quite a lot of functionality, slightly more than the Philips Hue app, which is still very good, but it's just a little bit more basic, whereas the iConnect Hue gives you a lot more options and functionality, so that's worth looking into. So there you go, Mark, I hope that answers your question. It is quite straightforward to do, so hopefully you can set that up on your own Philips Hue dimmer at home. I hope you enjoyed that. If you've got any questions please leave them in the comments box below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.